Imagine the sound of a phone ringing endlessly at your restaurant or bar. Each unanswered call can be a missed opportunity, even a potential party slipping through your fingers. On average, restaurants miss 15 to 20 calls daily during peak hours. For bars, that number can be much, much higher. Imagine your empty dining or bar space on a weeknight. Each unbooked party represents lost revenue. Booking just 3 to 4 extra parties weekly could boost your monthly income by $10,000 to $20,000, all without increasing staffing costs. Meet Eve AI, your AI voice employee. Eve AI answers calls 24/7, ensuring no opportunity is missed. Our proprietary program helps restaurants and bars book 3 to 4 extra parties weekly on autopilot, handling inquiries and booking events seamlessly. Eve AI doesn't just answer calls, it can make intelligent outbound calls or texts too, and proactively follows up with potential clients, increasing conversion rates by 37%. Imagine having a system that nurtures leads and books events without pulling your staff away from serving guests. Integrating Eve is simple and quick. With no technical expertise needed, Eve AI connects to your existing systems with ease. Your teams can access a dashboard on a computer or phone app with all inquiries, bookings, and calendars, making management a breeze. Restaurant owners nationwide are seeing real results. Eve AI generates 3 to 4 additional parties weekly, translating to an average of $15,000 in extra monthly revenue. All this with zero additional staffing costs. To summarize, missed calls mean missed revenue. Eve AI ensures no opportunity is lost, booking parties seamlessly and increasing your revenue. By integrating Eve AI, you'll unlock your party potential without extra staffing. Stop letting potential parties and events slip away. With Eve AI handling your calls 24/7, focus on creating memorable experiences. You can test it for free at ai.outboundsuite.com today and see how Eve AI can secure 3 to 4 additional high-value events weekly for your restaurant or bar. Transform your empty seats into profit. Spaces in our program are limited, so act now and book a call and see if you qualify.